Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the table style or how to change the table theme or color on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to change the table style on your Microsoft Excel web, I just going to show in this video. For that, I just need to insert a table first here. So we just insert a table here, and we just insert another table here. Okay, let's insert another table here. So I just need to have a different colors for all the table. So I just inserted here. So for that, I just first of all click on the table first, and you will see an option called table design on the top. You can see in the top menu. Click on this, and here you will see an option called table style. You can just click this and you can just change, or click on this arrow section so you can find medium, dark and light. So you can see there is a difference in the theme. Like medium, if you are choosing a dark, it look like so dark, and if you are choosing a lighter theme, which will be so lighter, so you can see only the showing only the colors. And this is how we just change the table design or table style or color on your Microsoft Excel web. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.